Today for you, I have the October yumetwins kawaii box today for you. It just came in the mail today, so I figured I would just upload it. Alright, so let's open this up and see what we got. Ooh. Alright, the box is the same as usual, the purple and the turquoise. So here is our little pamphlet. It says, oop, Happy Halloween. Yep. And we have a girl wearing a pumpkin hat, a ghost kitty. I think this is another ghost kitty. And another pumpkin right here. And yeah. Alright, so let's open this up. Let me get this box out of the way. So we have a Hello yumetwins family. This is the prize for automatically entered for that competition. So these are the things we'll be getting. There is a Kari Japanese paper art cut instructions here. And photo contest is right here. And this is the back. Alright, so let's see what the first thing in our box will be. We have this thing right here. This is a Sanrio Goulash Trio animated long hat. It says animated long hats are a staple for festive fun around the world, and you'll be feeling the Halloween spirit in no time with these entertaining hats. Just squeeze the bottom of the hats and the air pumps hidden inside will be bouncing the ears, wings, and up and down. This item is great for Halloween pics, selfies, or Insta stories. Made to light a fluffy material, your hat will feel soft to the touch and will be enjoyable to wear all night trick-or-treating. Hat is free size, meaning that anyone from kids to adults are able to wear it comfortably and have fun. So looks like we got Cinnamoroll. So this is what our Cinnamoroll looks like. Let me see if I can make him do his thing. Let's move the tag out of his face. He's very cute. There is a candy on the pump ear flap. Alright. And this is what the back looks like of our hat. So the next item in our box is this lovely plushie right here. Let's see what he is. This is Cinnamoroll Devil Pouch Plush. Cinnamoroll is dressed up in a costume and is ready to go trick-or-treating. This plushie is a yumetwins X Sanrio exclusive. Our in-house designer coordinated with Sanrio to get the perfect spooky cute accents just right, and we're happy to share it with you. This plushie has a fastener attached to it that opens up to a pouch, making Cinnamoroll the best trick-or-treat buddy, as you can put the little candies in. Even small accessories inside. Is also a staple that makes even easy to take anywhere, as it can be attached easily to bag or backpack. So let's open him up and see what he looks like. Looks like our Cinnamoroll is dressed up as a devil. He's got a bow here, a devil's hook, red eyes, and horns. So this is the back of our Cinnamoroll, and this is where it was talking about. You could probably fit like maybe one small candy in there. But other than that, it is very cute. And here is the little chain clip thingy it was talking about. Alright. So that is a very cute plushie for Halloween. Our next item is this thing right here. This is a Hello Kitty surprise chocolate egg. So this is what the box looks like. So it says, in a fast for yumetwins, we included an edible treat in the box to help celebrate Halloween. Hidden inside is a tasty sweet chocolate egg and a capsule containing one of 23 variations of Hello Kitty. But this Halloween, so Hello Kitty is wearing a costume, as well as which costume Kitty can jam you will get. Costume possibilities range from a robot, a cheerleader, or even a sushi costume, to Evangelion, Rascal, and even other anime namesakes. I'll open this up on another video, so stay tuned for that. The next item in our box is this keychain right here, I believe. This is a Nintendo Kirby keychain. Oh, sorry, not Kirby. Carrie keychain. There are so many Nintendo characters that could represent the imitation costume traditions of Halloween. Well, that's why we've chosen 5 variations of Kirby in personal sword or fire, ice, and sleep costumes, plus there are awesome Pokemon, Ganger, Mimikyu, and Pikachu to be our keychain mascots for the season. Each has a striking, high-quality Japanese backdrop. This art style imitates a traditional Japanese paper cut, or art method in which the artist uses scissors to leave lines, paper craft designs. The striking lines are meant to give contrast and add background. Attach this stylish piece to your bags, backpack, pencil case, or key rings. So I got this one. Alright. Keychain looks like out of the packaging. Well, not quite out of the packaging. It has a lobster clasp type clasp, and this is what the back looks like. This can easily scratch off, possibly, because this is the part of the painting, and so that's the front. The next item in our box looks like this ghost bath bomb. It says that it's a Halloween ghost bath bomb. And other first year for yumetwins, we're supplying you with wellness item to help you warm your body after trick-or-treating outside in the crisp autumn air. Comes in 2 variations, Ghost Friends and Horror Ghost Party. It looks like I got the Ghost Friends because the other variation looks like this. Let's see, Ghost Friends. Ghost Friends, once you put them into hot water, the bath bomb will dissolve into a transparent color for a skin-soothing bath. Horror Ghost Party, fruit-scented, and makes lots of bubbles. Plus the color changes depending on the water temperature. Both include 9 original ghost mascot toys hidden inside. Use the toy to decorate your bathroom or around the house during the spooky season for freaking trick-or-treaters. So that is the last thing in our box, and I might try this out later and show you guys the prize. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.